This wireless solar powered security camera is awesome. This is actually my second one. I have one that's facing my garage and stuff, and so now I got another one so I can cover more areas of my house. So it's going to come with the instructions here. It also comes with a sticker that you can put out on your wherever, just showing that it is surveillanced. It has the solar panel here. Also comes with the camera itself. And then you just have some hardware. So this is going to be for the solar panel. You're just going to go ahead and unscrew this part here. And you're going to mount this somewhere that you get good light. And then screw this back on. And then you'll just put your security camera, or your solar panel right here. And then you can adjust it as well. To install this, it's really easy. It's just a plate here. And all you do is just screw this wherever you want it. So you just mount it up there, and then you take the camera and you slide it right in. And then you just connect your solar to the camera itself back here. And then you're ready to go. So it's really super easy to put up. I'll go ahead and show you when I'm doing that. Since this is my second camera and I already have the app, all I need to do is click add device, and then it's going to prompt me through and give me step by step of everything I need to do to connect it to the device. If there are any issues, there's always another way to do it, and it shows it right in the app, step by step. Once it is connected to the Wi-Fi, the next steps it's going to do is give me the option to name the camera and the location of it. And then it'll pop up on my screen when I select all cameras, and then I'm able to see it and go into that specific camera as well. Now that I have my plate mounted, all I need to do is just slide this on. There is also a screw at the top that you can mount the camera to the plate. If you would. My plate is up there and installed, so all I need to do is slide this piece here into here. There are some grooves, and then we're gonna place it on this and just tighten it up. So after installing the solar panel and the mount for the light, you'll want to connect them. Slide this right on back in, and then you can use that screw to secure this camera into place. Once installing the camera and mounting it, I am able to go into the app and access it. So from here, I am able to control it. I can move it from side to side. You can pan all over and really decide where you want it up and down as well. You can even zoom in. You are able to transmit an audible alarm from the device. You can go into your camera settings. In there, you can control your motion detection. So you can control the sensitivity, you can control the interval, the duration, and everything right there. You can access your notification settings as well. And then you can also go in and have access to your lighting settings. You can change if you have an indicator light on when the camera's on, night vision, your night vision mode, as well as the light sensitivity level. This camera also has night vision. You have two different settings for your night vision. You have infrared, which is what you are seeing right now. You are still able to pan back and forth, and you can change it to white light. As you can see here, this gives it more of the colors that it has naturally during the day. So this gives it a nice crisp image here as well. You can really see what is going on, and you're able to see very well, and it's very clear day or night.